Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord, I am sorry for being unstable, but I think I'm back and I'm back for a while. Alright, Umkhokha the curse. I'm going to do others. I didn't do Umkhokha the teaser because of time, and already by now it's out on other socials, so I thought you guys are going to get it there. But yeah, let us get into the whole Umkhokha the curse type of situation. Unomkhosi angisho siyazi sonke ukuthi udecidile ugirl ukuthi uzokhuluma amanga, akhuluma amanga ukuthi indoda yakhe iyeza why ahambe ne-idea kaNdlovu. And then now we are seeing ukuthi uNdlovu, the snake, the manipulator, the what ubhizi ufuna le position yokuthi kube huyo ohola amajudiya until uNtuthuko aba old enough. But we all know what comes with power ukuthi when he's supposed to give over to uNtuthuko, it's not going to happen. Right now uNtuthuko is promised to be the next Mkhululi. A child is put in a compromising situation, and I hope for his sake the child is not harmed. But ke umvelasi une soft spot for abanye, and then for others he doesn't. So let's hope ukuthi for uNtuthuko uzoba nayo soft spot, understanding ukuthi uNtuthuko is a child and the decisions that were done on his behalf. Kubeke umama uMazungu, right? uMazungu, guys, she fought for imali yomntwana akhe, where I am seated. uMazungu was not wrong for fighting for uNomkhosi athole what is rightfully hers. However, the timing was wrong. The timing was off because the least that she could have done, she could have waited for the funeral for the mourning period ukuthi indlule, considering that she's in the same church with them and she understands ukuthi this situation has once happened to umkhulu Zamqolo. So now ugel uye waba very insensitive, but I'm happy ukuthi Nomkhosi was able to go back not Nomkhosi, uNokubonga was able to go back kaMthembu ayobatshela ukuthi hey akusihimi le umamama, right? uMaphalala naye the way bekamangele ngakhona amanzi abantu babona ukuthi nayi opportunity yokuthi ngibuze uMaphalala ukuthi maro yazi ukuthi kwenzani, yazi ukuthi kuhambani, ambuze ukuthi Phali the boys, do you know ukuthi kuhambani? uMaphalala athi ngisi shocked ukuthi lo mntana nimnikenani lezi zinto engimnika zona. kuMaphalala it was also devastating because he felt ukuthi as a man he had been dethroned by this woman. So now uNomkhosi uzothola a car, a monthly allowance, a driver and a bodyguard. Yebo, as Mrs. Mkhululi, those are her rights. Now the question is, how long will she last with these things? Because sekajwayele ugirl ukuzihambela without them. But ke considering ukuthi uMamkhululi izinto lezi umama kazidemandile, izinto lezi azozithola. Bese ke kube Nobuntu decided to go to the army, writing a letter to the parents ukuthi hey bazalwane ningangibheki ngaphansi kwamatafule ndigodukile andisekho apha eMzantsi Africa ndi-kanti ndiyoba yisotsha ndwenza izinto ukuthi zenzeke. So ugirl uyisotsha right now or in training, and then that's her calling according to what she believes, and she also believes ukuthi ulento bhuti wakhe amshiye nayo. So I'm thinking ukuthi that's why she followed her heart. I pray ukuthi bangathi ufile ubulawa umkhokha esotsheni ngoba bayafa abantu bakumkhokha the case, bayahamba abantu bakumkhokha. All right, okay, ahambe phakathi wayevela phatheke kabi. But on the other hand bekashiyele ubani lo girl ishoni igama lakhe ishoni fast uGabisile a potential matric dance date. I-potential matric dance date i-date yomunye umuntu. Will uGabisile lose her friendship noJabu over this matric dance thing, or will uGabisile ensure ukuthi yena noJabu basese right and dish the guy? We don't know, but what we know is we want to see uGabisile and the rest of the girls go their matric dance and matric attires. Guys, I appreciate you for coming back. This is your girl Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.